Hi everyone, welcome to Crochet Rocks. This is a surprise. Wasn't intending to come to Hobbycraft today, but we were going to have a walk by the sea and it's pretty cold. So we found our way here to a Hobbycraft which is in Thanet. Well, it's in Broadstairs, I think this is classed as. So, sorry about that. I had a nosy person just come over, but yeah, still got lots of 3 for 2s. This is all of the where are we? Women's Institute yarn, but they've got 100 gram balls and they've got these 50 gram. That's lovely and soft. But yeah, we were going to go for the seaside, but it was a bit cold, so we managed to find our way here. So we've got lots and lots of Women's Institute yarn to choose from. Had that one before. Looks like a sea anemone to me. And I've had it in this purple colour. I like the pink. I'm really sorry, but I don't have my microphone. That's the word I'm looking for. This is because I left it in the car. Didn't realise that there was one here. And so that's pretty. Baby Brilliance. So this is £4.10, but you get 3 for the price of 2. Very soft. The softest of those sparkly yarns that I've seen. I've seen this before, I've never used it, but it's very soft. It's got a lovely sheen to it. It's very fine though. I think this is a 4-ply. Yeah, 4-ply, which is a sport weight across the pond. So I've never been in this one before. It's not particularly big, but let's have a look. We've got lots of accessories in this one. Loads. And children's ones. Nice yarn bowl. I've often thought of trying one, but most of the balls of yarn that I use are huge. I've used these before. These were the first ergonomic grips ones I ever had, but I'm not keen on them. They're the same as the old-fashioned millwood hooks, so they don't slip too well. And so yeah, lots of bits and bobs, accessories and needles, and they always have loads of patterns in here. So this looks familiar. I think I've had this before. Hayfield Bonus Chunky. That feels really soft now. White Chunky. Oh, that is lovely. It's £2.40. It's not bad. This is a nice colour. Kind of very light grey with a little speckle. What's this one? Lazy Day by James C. Brett. Super chunky. That's new. I've not used that one before. Not seen it either. That's blue one, and it's £2.70. More Hayfield. That's all they've got in that one. Not really looking for chunky at the moment though, so I'm not sure what's around the other side. Oh, this is a long aisle. Got a feeling that, oh, it's a very long one. I've got nice ones on this side. Oh, that's interesting. That looks nice. I like that. That's Serdar Hayworth tweed. £4. And all that groove is in the yarn that I used to get up the top there. And then we've got some Karen Simply Soft and the Serdar Jewel Spun, which I do love. Giant balls of Aran and the mandalas at the bottom and the Karen cakes. Oh, that's a lovely one. I do like that one. That's very pretty. I hope you can hear me, but I haven't got my microphone and I've got a mask on, so maybe a little muffled. I do like this one. I've seen this before. It's got stuck on that one. Speckle. They're £5 skein, which I think is a bit expensive. I do like this though. This is the Serdar Alpine. I don't know if they call it Alpine or Alpine. Depends if it's a French word or not. And they've always got these little amigurumi bits and bobs, the sugar and creams, and a flutterby section. I like James C. Brett flutterby, but I do get, it does give me a bit of allergy when I use it. The fibres come adrift. The burnout velvet's lovely. I do have some velvet. I think it's this colour, but it's not a burnout. Very similar though. This is very, I don't know if I'd want to use that though. Again, the fibres look like that they would torment me just a bit with my allergies. I do have a few balls of this chinchilla. I love that. That's beautiful. That's James C. Brett, but that's usually quite expensive. It's £4.85 at the moment. It used to be more than that. But this alpine, so it's a bit hard to manoeuvre around this shop. You won't get very much in that. Just a 50-gram ball. Lovely colour though. Very nice. Lynx. I would have said mink, but what do I know about fur? It's beautiful, but it would be expensive because that's £3.30 for a 50-gram ball. So we've got some Kobu over this side and the Rico cotton, creative cotton. I still like this. I made that bag from my tote bag from that. I do apologise for being out of breath. It's quite difficult in the mask, but there's always lots and lots of pattern books and pattern leaflets in here. Some crochet and some knit. Very, very narrow aisle, this one though. On this side we've got this. I do love this. This is the third aisle section over here anyway, but this is the stone wash, and it's Aran. But this pink, I've got it in blue. I've got this one, which has fallen out the yarn band, and I've got it in this mauve, but I really like the pink. That is so soft, very pretty, but I haven't used what I've got yet. So I wonder if anything will find its way into my basket today. I wonder. Aha, there's the winner takes the short and twist and shouts. I might get a few more of those actually, because I don't have a great deal of this one. So let's pop that in. It's a nice colour. I've got quite a lot of them. I've got this one, which is all black and grey and white, and then there's a really nice pinky colour, and then these. I like the orange. I do like that one. Kind of unusual. Lots of Hayfield bonus. That's a bit of an interesting colour. It's kind of a, well, buttermilk, I'd say. Should we see what they've called it? See if I'm anywhere near. They call it 0993. I think they missed a trick. Personally, I'd have called it buttermilk. Oh, so this is all just normal, their own brands of everyday DK. I do actually want a really, really nice lemon, if I can find one. Haven't found one here so far. That's not particularly bright, and that's a little bit pale. But we'll keep looking. Might find one. That's just a little bit mustardy. I'm not sure I'd put that on the wall, personally. So what else have we got? Low prices. Light and long tweed. That's very soft. Low prices? £6. Don't think so. James C. Brett Stonewash. Quite a few different colours of that. Lots of them. This might not be the same. No, it's rougher. That West Yorkshire Spinners. Signature 4-ply. No, don't want any of that. The one either. So, lots and lots of yarns to look at. But this reminds me of the sock yarn that I bought. The way, it's not that, it's the Hayfield Spirit. But that does look a lot like the sock yarn that I bought. I do love this one. It's my favourite. Absolutely love that, but I do have rather a lot of it. Haven't used it. Sorry, I'm having trouble with my trolley. Haven't used much of it, but isn't it just adorable? It's beautiful. There's quite a dark colour in there as well that shines through when you're making up. But this is what it looks like. Obviously knitted, but I love that. It's so nice. It's a nice pink, Sirdar Snuggly, but looking along, not a nice yellow to be seen. We've got a very pale one again, like the buttermilky colour, and a bright one, but no yellow. I don't understand. I very rarely see nice yellows. So I found a yellow, but it's not what I'm looking for. It's just pale. It's just so hard to find a really good lemon. And more of the Sirdar Snugglies. Nice colours. What's this? I've not seen this one before. This is the Rico Baby. Oh, that is soft. And that is £4 for this tiny little donut. Not really very good value. So let's investigate this yellow. It's the Super Soft James C. Brett. It's about the best yellow I've found so far, and it's £1.50. As my son Mike would say, I'm going to put that in my basket. And here's the Feels Like Butter. They never have vibrant colours in that, I've noticed. And oh, that's pretty. Some pretty colours in the baby marble. Look at that. I do believe I might have some of this. It's either this one or it's this one that I've got. Oranges and lemons. Well, actually limes. Lemons and limes. So how many more rows have we got? That's it then. Because this one is all the bags and buttons and sequins. I actually want the box. I need to find a box. I haven't got much in my basket so far, but I will have another look once I shut this off, and then it might be a surprise to you what I get. Well, one thing is for sure, it won't be a lovely lemon, will it? Because I don't seem to have any. Never see any. On the odd occasion, I buy all I can find of it. So down there is the paper goods. So that's it then so far. So I'm going to close this off, carry on, look around a little bit more in depth, and show you what I find. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.